Hi everybody. So today's Sunday. I had my surgery on Wednesday, so I call it a day 4 of my recovery. You can see it on the whiteboard behind me. The status is the same as yesterday. I haven't really changed anything. I'm still in pain. I still have to take oxycodone, which is really frustrating. And I'll, I think last one I had was in the morning, so I'll see if I can go all the way till the evening without it. And so my knee is still swollen, not just my knee, my thigh also, and my calf. So you can take a look. So yeah, that's really the thing that prevents me from moving much, which is frustrating. Okay, so but despite the fact that it's in pain and that it's swollen, I decided to exercise. And I'm trying to do all body workout really. I'll show you a few exercises that I do. I'm not going to do as many repetitions as I would do for myself. I'll do just a few and try to alternate quickly so that the video doesn't get boring. And yeah, I had a nice chat today with my mom, and she's pushing me to exercise harder, like just to just start moving my knees, so I have to follow her advice. So let's get to it. So actually, I'm moving around the house with just one crutch. It's quite efficient and it keeps one hand free, so I can, carry stuff in it, and so that's really good. So what can I do? So first of all, my back is hurting. So I'm trying to essentially do some exercises that will strengthen my back, my core, between my shoulder blades. That's where most of the pain is. So the exercises that I do, always make sure that I make sure to stand on the good leg. So my bad leg is kind of very, very lightly touching the ground, and I can lean forward and do the flies. And you can do them a little bit back, a little bit forward, just to get all parts of the muscles between your shoulder blades working. That's one thing. The other exercise that I like, again, I try to have my weight on the strong leg, not the weak one. I just do bicep curl and push up. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, in, out. Okay, so that's that. You can also do things like triceps extensions. Again, look, I'm standing on the good leg. The bad leg is just hanging. So I'm supporting myself with my hand. And so this is the right way to do it. I would do it this way even if both legs were good. But if I turn around, I'm still standing on this left leg, and do it for the other arm. Okay? And you can do also pull-ups, like, lift your leg a little bit and just pull up. And again, this exercises the muscles between shoulder blades and also here, lower back, because I'm keeping my leg up. And if I turn around, again, still standing on the strong leg, I can do the pull-ups. So notice I keep my weight on the left leg, which is the healthy one, and actually going back. Ooh, careful. So I can lift my unhealthy leg going this way pretty good. So I can strengthen, the lower back a little bit. I cannot do it the other way, no way, because I would have to stand on the bed like no. So I'm not taking my chances yet. I can also do push-ups. Again, keeping this leg pretty light, almost elevated, and just do a few of these. Yeah, that's all for arms and a little bit of lower back. Let me take this board away. So from the exercises, I'll put it here. So let's kind of look at the exercises that I can do for my leg. And so I think I'm not gonna need this. So again, I'm using my belt because I cannot lift my leg on my own. So if I need to lift my leg up, I use the belt, and now I can put towels under it. I can lift a little bit and do the leg extensions, but nothing really moves. I'm just tightening my muscles here and trying to press my leg down. So stretch and pull down, and push down, and again push down. And this one is painful a little bit, but I really don't want to keep the knee still. I'm trying to move it, engage the muscles. Hopefully, the next day it's gonna be a little bit easier, the next day a little bit easier. So when I engage my muscles here, I really feel it tightening. Not as much at the upper half of the thigh. Okay, so these are the extension, and you can keep your foot any way you like. Slightly different feel, so I would suggest do both. Okay, so those are the leg extensions or leg presses, and the one thing that really, actually let me face the other way. So one thing I should be doing, and I really can't, is the heel slides. And so the easiest thing, so I'm pretty much resting here, but what I'm trying to do now is slide my heel, this right heel, towards my butt. So I can lift my leg and move it just a tiny bit down, tiny bit down, and I should do probably like 20 of those, and I'll do just maybe 5, 6, 7, and it actually gets easier. I know this seems like very little, but it's actually a huge effort on my side. So hopefully tomorrow I can do a little more. So those are the heel slides, and then of course I do my usual ankle pumps, and I do them usually with my legs elevated more. And by the way, the leg presses that I was explaining earlier with the towel under my knee, I also do those while my leg is elevated. So the ankle pumps, they're easy. The knee doesn't really move, but it improves the blood flow, and it actually engages the muscles as well. Okay, so this actually was not any of the recommended exercises, so maybe do at your own risk, but I'm trying to do one more where I can pull my leg up all the way up, and just having it here very carefully. I have to push against the belt so that my leg doesn't slide out, and so I'm just bending a little bit and extending and bend and extend. And I'm doing it very carefully, but the good thing about this exercise is my leg is elevated. So, you know, I feel anytime I can do something elevated, it's actually not too bad and not too bad for my knee. So again, you can see my range of motion is very, very limited. And it's mostly, I think it's the swelling, because right after the surgery, I could move my knee much, much better. And now it's kind of getting stiff, and that's not good. So yeah, you can help with the other arm or other hand and support the knee. And you can do 20 of these or even 40. Just get the knee moving. Okay. Yeah, so this was, wow, this was painful. And I haven't really done much for my stomach, but I'm using my stomach muscles all the time, sitting up, laying down, and you know, I think I'm in a pretty good shape, and it's a workout. Each time you could see me just now standing up from this position where my leg was elevated, coming down. It was really hard for me. And so, you know, I just need to do more of these. Now I'm gonna go lay down, elevate my leg, ice it. I haven't iced today yet, so I will definitely ice my leg, and then just rest. And then in a couple hours, I'll probably redo these exercises, do a few more reps, so that, you know, my body gets a little bit tired and I can get good night's sleep. Okay, that was pretty much all that I wanted to share with you today. Wish me luck, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.